Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a time when you were late. When it was. Why you were late. How you felt about being late. Although I value punctuality, I can still recall an instance in which I was late for a significant occasion. I received an invitation to a close friend's wedding ceremony approximately 6 months ago. The event was set to take place at a location on the city's outskirts at 10 a.m. My alarm didn't go off, so I overslept even though I had intended to leave early to make sure I arrived on time. I had already fallen an hour behind schedule when I woke up. My ineffective time management the previous evening was the primary cause of my delay. In the hopes of waking up early, I had remained up late packing a present and finishing my clothes. Road construction caused severe traffic on the route to the event, which made the situation worse. I got to the location at about 11:15 a.m., right as the major ceremony was coming to an end, even though I was driving as fast as the traffic would allow. Being late made me feel really awful and ashamed. I felt as though I had let my buddy down by missing the most important aspect of her special day. I sincerely apologized, and happily, she was quite understanding. But I was unable to get rid of the sense of self-disappointment. I learned from this experience how vital it is to prioritize rest and make better plans in order to prevent similar circumstances in the future.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.